Hi, hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about the HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs is most important topic in our web page creation today's session. And first of all, we can what is HTML? Where you are using the HTML paragraphs? What purpose we are using the paragraphs? Why we are using the paragraphs? When we are using the paragraphs? How to using the paragraphs? So these are the our questions today. So one by one I can give you my explanation about paragraphs. The HTML paragraph element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line, and browser automatically adds some white space or margin before and after a paragraph. So paragraph is a long text. Sometimes if you write a some quotation or some paragraph long text on the web page, then we are using the p tag, that is a paragraph tag, right? Where you are using means sometimes contact us in our web page. If we are providing some address field, address text, long text, that is we can within the write in within we can write in a p tag. So why you are using? Why means it's a paragraph is a blocked element that is handle the long text. That's why you are using the paragraph tag. When you are using, when means when you have a long content, that is you can going to print in the web page, that time you are using the paragraph tag. How to using means just we can open the p tag. Within the p tag we write the some text and close the p tag. That is I will show in my notepad. I'm going to my notepad here. I define the some doc type HTML, and after that define the HTML tag and body tag. Within the body tag I written some content. That content is I written in the again p tag. This is a paragraph, this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph. 3 p tags I written in my page. After that I close the body tag and HTML. So then I'm going to executing this page in a web browser. So just I open my folder in my local, then I double click on this page, then it will be open in our web page. Here we are observe this is a paragraph tag 1, this is paragraph tag 2, this is a paragraph tag 3. If you want to see your code what you write in a notepad, then inspect the element, then it will open the inspect element tool. We are observe right, it's now loaded. Just we are observe doc type and HTML element. After that body, within the body we are write our p tags. This is a paragraph p1, p2, p3, right? So this is the paragraph. How to we are write and where you are write, what is the important of the p tag, like how to write the p tag. These things we are observe now, right? Our doubts I think clear. I think once I will give you one more example. For example, some long text, some Wikipedia content I take here, some biograph, something like that. For example, I open this thing. I want to take one long text. Long text means this is some text, right? This text I want to print in my page. Then I here write some, open the p tag, and here I paste my content. After that I closed my p tag. Here we write this some popular birthday and death, something is there na. Some title, if you want give some heading, then you write the heading tag. This is some yeah, what happened, yeah, subject, some subject I given heading, and close the h1 tag, then save, and go to the browser and refresh our page. Then it will be show like this. This is our title, this is our text description, means this is a paragraph, this is a large content, right? So this like we are writing in our web page. That's why we are using the p tag. So next video we are meeting. Thank you so much watching my video, and if you like my video, please like and share to your friends, and comment on my video and what you are feeling, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you want get new notification for my new video, please click on the bell icon. Thank you.